Global IP Trust Presence. The TrueLimb. Unlimited Tomorrow is changing the lives of amputated people. Their TrueLimb prosthetic limbs are letting amputated people lead normal lives with a more affordable solution to prosthetics. TrueLimb is a lightweight, affordable prosthetic limb with a realistic appearance and natural features. These are 3D printed, which makes them highly customizable. It comes with custom dimensions for different sizes and shapes of arms. It is printed using data from a 3D scan of the opposite arm. Once you register for a TrueLimb, a 3D scanner is dispatched to your location to scan your opposing limb and to upload the details for a personalized product that fits your arms perfectly. The custom sockets are breathable, adjustable, and comfortable. It comes with robotics so that you can control each finger movement, and it also comes with intuitive muscle sensor technology that allows you to easily train your device. Natural movements and positioning provide greater independence. TrueLimb comes with multi-day battery life so that you don't have to charge it often. It is engineered using durable, high-quality materials that you can easily care for and maintain. As an added bonus, it comes in 450 different skin tones so that it fits your arm both functionally and aesthetically. For more information on TrueLimb, visit unlimitedtomorrow.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more.